Forgiveness is an important component to growth and change. Get into a nice, relaxing position so that you can let go of any tension and stress in your body. Take a nice, full, deep breath in. And as you exhale, let your eyes gently close. Enjoy the darkness behind closed eyes, feeling automatically a little more relaxed already. When you breathe in deeply again, bring into your mind that you are standing in the most beautiful garden you've ever seen. There are strong trees surrounding this garden that protect it from the wind and the weather. You can see their leaves swaying in the wind high above your head. There are flowers of all colors surrounding you, perched gracefully upon the backdrop of bright green foliage. There are hundreds of butterflies working diligently at collecting nectar. There are large butterflies boasting intricate patterns and colors. Their wings reflect the sunlight like glitter. There are also smaller butterflies fluttering around, speedily from blossom to blossom. Their wings are beautiful colors of brown and cream. Take a nice breath of this crisp, fresh air. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, nourishing you with vitamin D. As you walk along this garden, you see there is a winding footpath leading through the flowers towards the edge of the forest. It is a mysterious yet inviting path. Go down this way. Walk along this path, enjoying the fragrance of the flowers surrounding you. You feel very pleasant and relaxed. As you round a corner, a small bench made of wood comes into view, and you see the person you most need to forgive is sitting there. They have been waiting for you because this is a very important encounter. You sit down beside them because this place is very safe, and there are some things that need to be said to this person. With bravery and courage, look them directly in their eyes and say, "You hurt me, and I have suffered for too long because of this burden I carry in the form of a grudge towards you. I forgive you. I forgive you not to help you, but to better myself. I forgive you, and you will not enter my thoughts any longer." I forgive you because forgiveness leads to openness in all aspects of my life. You notice the darkness that was once in their eyes begins to lighten, and for a while they do not say a word. Then the silence is broken. They simply say to you, "I will leave you alone, and you will not be tormented by the thought of me anymore." They get up from the beautiful wooden bench and walk into the depths of the nearby wooded forest. You watch as their figure grows smaller into the distance until you no longer see them. Never once did they turn around and look back your way. Good. Very good. This was a very important meeting today in this beautiful garden. Whenever you're ready, take a nice big breath and open your eyes.